Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to get Worldremit discounts and promo codes. So let's get started. Go to Google, search for Worldremit discounts and promo codes. This is the keyword, and then click the first two website that I have. This is the first website, friends. You can actually use and save your money by using these promo codes. Just click show codes from here. When you click show codes, you will see your codes and promo code. Just click redeem at Worldremit, and then you can save your money. You have two common codes. All these discounts, you have 10 off discounts. You have 20 discounts for discounts. So this is the website, guys. Great website you can use to get discounts. The second website, this one, you have actually 11 working discounts. Just click get deals from here. Click get deals. When you click get deal, you will see your promo codes, and then you can use this is promo codes. So friends, actually this is all working promo codes you can use to save your money. Just sign up your accounts and then you can use. So friends, I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and give share this